Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make squids batter fry. So let's get started. In order to make that, I've taken 10 squids cut in rings like this. Apply salt and keep it on the side. So let's get started. In order to make the marination, I will show how to make. In a blender jar, add onion, half medium size, 10 each of cloves, garlic. By adding milk, make a fine paste. Now once you blend, add black pepper powder and add the blended onion and garlic with milk. Mix this well. We have already applied salt. Let this keep for at least 4 hours. Now in order to batter fry them, we have to make batter. I will take 4 tablespoons of maida, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, some salt, and pinch of black pepper powder. Mix this by adding water. Make a batter. Don't make it too thin. Check this consistency. Not too thick and not too thin also. Now what you have to do is, next step, strain the squids from the milk and the ingredients we have added, and then we have to mix it in this little by little. Now our squids are ready in order to deep fry them. Once the oil is hot, add squids. I check this out, how lovely they are. Fry them batch by batch in small portion. Do not try to squeeze them. So let them get nice golden brown in color, and they should be very crispy and tasty. Check this out, these are ready now. I'm going to remove this and start with a new batch. Guys, check out this calamari rings, we call squids deep fry. You can make this at home, follow each and every step, and prepare this recipe. You all will enjoy this. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.